Hey Abdi, this is your news in Aberdeenshire, at the monument for the Battle of Harlow. Guinness, half a bonny, get the coyotes using and we're dug happy with them. So let's get the dog off of the coos. The reason for doing this video is there's a wee Scots ballad it's worth reading out to you about the Battle of Harlow that they hae here. So, as I come in by dinner deer and doon by weather ha, there were 50,000 Hieland men a marching to Harlow. The Hieland men were they with their lang swords, they laid on us fusare, and they drave back their merry men, 3 acres breed their mare. The first stroke that Forbes struck made the great MacDonald reel. The second stroke that Forbes struck, the great MacDonald fell. And siccan a pillory, the like you never saw, as was among the Hieland men when they saw MacDonald fa. And sic a weary burying, the like you never saw, and there was the Sunday after that, on the muirs doon by Harlow. And gin Hieland lasses spirit you, for them that gaed awa, you may tell them plain enough, they're sleeping at Harlow. Apologies, I think I said Harlow, and I felt weird why. Anyway, let me think about it in the comments. I thought as if we'd just to hear the kind of original Scots ballad about the Battle of Harlow here, this monument. Aye. Come and here, visit it if you're in Aberdeenshire. Or is it nail? You can't really walk your dog here. I seen a sign for it. I thought I'd come to it because it's just out and about. But again, it's not good for the dog. But aye, bonny views. Bonny views of Benny Heath here, like. Aye, what's his name? It's not there. Aye, Benny Heath. Bonny views of Benny Heath here, like. Aye, let me think about it in the comments. Now, I'll be doing more news and things like that. But Kenneth, I need folk to help out with the news. Because I just don't have time. I've got a lot of other things going on.